2023. I'm going right into it. Yesterday, a couple of days ago, opened a trade on back of Apple's fundamentals not doing as well. Within the next day, that was Friday, yesterday, it hit my stop loss and that trade got kicked out, which is fine. And then I was looking over, I was going to walk away, leave it as it is, and then here's the interesting part. The interesting part is actually when it goes inside a different time frame. Let me see, was it 1 hour or 30 minutes? Let my system know. Load, and not the 1 hour. So looking at different time frame, and it actually triggered a trade. Yeah, right here yesterday. So I was looking at this. This is the exponential revolve, which is kind of an exponential moving average. As you can see, it weight the most recent bar more weightings. That's why you have this skewed. You have this skew on these. You can see the green skew, front heavy, and this time frame triggered a long trade. Reviewing it, I'm viewing this system. I've been on and off viewing this system, and it's very positive over long term. Now I have to say I don't take pure signals in that sense. I'm not a systematic trader. I'm a systematic discretionary trader. Basically, it broke this uptrend on top on the larger picture. There's a downtrend, and it broke the trend on this, and I'm like, okay, let's see. And then on another bar, when it broke higher beyond the breakout bar on the signal, that's when I decided to enter the trade and went long. And this could be a beginning of continuation of trend or something, or it happened much earlier than you expected in actuality. I was actually also looking for this trade. If it doesn't drop down, I was going to turn around the trade, and right now I'm in the right direction. It's going the way I wanted. I still have bought and held on to my long on the vertical put spread on option, but that is going to only cost me $16 the more, which is the right strategy, because let's say on the daily chart, if it broke this uptrend, right? If it broke the uptrend, and then that trade is only cost me $16 because I bought it instead of selling a call. If I sell a call, that will compound. I would take more and more losses in that sense, and I was afraid it's going to do this up, down, and up. Up. It was an uphill. Apple was an uptrend for the last beginning of the year for the first 2.5 quarters, and then after that, it decided to drift off. And I was saying, okay, this is the peak 1, 2, and it's going to do that again. Chances are because of bad fundamentals on the earnings call, but it didn't. It decided they bought into it. They bought it up. Right now, it's making a breakout bar on the daily. And I was a little early on the trade. Sometimes I do that a lot. Actually. So this pattern, I'm actually the pattern I was looking for. So I went long. I'm expecting to fill bar, and then I would expect a little counter trend, and then a bounce. So I will add more to this long trade. This is the main trade I've been looking for after this nice up run, down run, and this is a breakout, very clean breakout right now, second bar. And I'm just watching it closely, see if it's going to continue upward. And then if a retracement, I can add to this position. Right now, I set my initial profit target this is a 1 to 2 profit target right now. But that will change as I want to see if there's momentum on this. It's turning green, but it's still under the weather low, so it would be nice if the moving average crossover at this point. For right now, it turned into a more neutral. It broke the downtrend into a more neutral territory, so it might just go sideways for a while. It might break up. Who knows, right? But the whole point is that trade got kicked because it hit my stop loss, and I just leave it. And then looking at it, initiate another trade on the intraday time frame based on the 30 minutes, and I clearly see that it want to go higher. I was seeing that when I was watching that after I opened that short trade. A little too early on a short trade, but that's fine. On top, the other reason is because the border market is behind it now. The border market is right at this point, and it also jumped out a signal. Right? So now it's ripping up. That was up 400. You see this is jump a signal. So when this bar broke higher, which is today's bar, that was the long signal. That's a breakout bar again. So that was a long on the border market, and that market behind my back, regardless of the fundamentals, that the Apple earnings, the guidance was weak. Right? The market is always right. Again, the market is always right. And now, yeah, the fast moving average, the blue line is closing into above the medium line, so that's promising. So I'm thinking a pattern that would go up a few more bar, couple more bar, or even this bar, retrace, bounce off this line against. I'm going to see if there's any continuous selling or buy step in. It will be perfect, bounce off around this area and then take off again. And that will be the trade. This is probably the trade of this is a good setup right now, and a good trade. And I have to say this is the better trade out of the retracement trade. The bouncing off the counter trend trade, retracement trade is only 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. So as soon as it broke up like this, it risk my stop loss, sell it. The question becomes, do I long it somewhere? So wait for the next bar on the intraday time frame on 30 minutes bar, and a 1 hour bar too on both, and it was giving me a positive trading signal. And so I took the trade, and today is a real breakout, continuation of breakout. So today is a trade, and see where it ended up. This is crucial in actuality. It's crucial. I am thinking of what I'm thinking doesn't matter, but I'm thinking of it might continue uptrend, eventually come back, test some area, and then bounce off. And then if that bounce off, that means I can add a position that will for me to add nice good positions, and then continue to roll this snowball. I will continue to add position. I probably won't take profit target at least until it is some technical level like up here. So that will be a big level to test, and then it break up that on the retracement. I will add again. I'm looking to add to this position. I'm looking fundamentally long, of course. So we might have a year-end rally. That's what I'm just saying. Who knows what's going to do next quarter? But that's potential. It's broke this downtrend. Hopefully, it will help. It will stay in this neutral territory for a while until it's ready to go again. But again, I set my stop loss pretty tight below this low of this bar or the breakout. It depends on how long it drift. I might have to move it. But right now, the stop loss right here. If I decide to come back down and do that myself, that's fine. And now we'll wait for the reload and then low it again if it decide to tick up again or break out again. So yes, there's gonna be a lot of active reading the price action to determine, do I want to go long, do I want to go short. But it looks like something will be happening, and that might be a trade. And I took the trade right now, and this is an initial position. So let's see how that goes. That's about this for today. In actuality, I just want to point out that I took a trade. There's a trade open, and I'm looking to add to positions if it goes well. If not, then it hit my stop loss. That's fine. And then I'll wait for the next trade. That's the nature of trading. And that's that. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll update everybody when more information, more price action comes in. If not, then I'll see everybody on this video.